in this video, what we are going to do is that we are going to continue from the various principles or laws concerning indices. We've looked at some of them, so kindly go and look for the part 1, part 2 to be able to understand where we've got into. We are now at the third session. Okay, now we looked at when you have a over b, it said you multiply, that is exponent, that will become a exponent x, b exponent x this way. That's the power will affect this and also affect this. Now there's this one also, assuming that you have a on b all exponent like 1. Now when the exponent is negative, okay, what you are going to do to actually solve it is to first of all reciprocate. That is, you turn the fraction upside down, giving you b over a, then the negative will go away, giving you that is positive 1. Then you can now multiply and multiply. So in this case, you will have b power 1, a power 1. And we've also said that any number raised to the power 1 is what the same number, so you have b over what? A. All right. Now, let's look at something over here. Somebody may say, are you sure that this is the answer? I want to use one of the laws that we looked at to explain something here to you. We said that when you have a exponent negative 1, it is the same as 1 over what? A. So any number raised to the power negative 1, we said that it is 1 over the number. So here, when this one multiplies it, you are having a power of negative 1. When this one also multiplies it, without changing it like I just taught here, you want to multiply it straight away to become a exponent negative 1. Here will become b exponent negative 1. I hope you are following. Now, per what we just did over here, what it means is that this one will become 1 over a, all divided by 1 over b. From here, you can use your understanding of fraction. So that will become 1 over a. This sign will be divided by 1 over b. I hope you are following. Now, when you have something like this, the division sign will change to multiplication, giving you 1 over a times. Then the fraction after the division sign, when it changes to multiplication, what do you call it? The sign will change from division to multiplication. Then the fraction after the division sign will reciprocate. That is, it will turn upside down, giving you b over what? 1. So in this case, 1 times b will give you b. A times 1 will also give you what? A. And this is not the same as what you have over here. Okay. So that explains why you will have to reciprocate it, and it will change from the negative to positive. All right, let's look at another one. Now, when you have root of a like this, that is square root of a, you can rewrite this one as a exponent half. Now, let's say that you have 4. Usually, you all know that the square root of 4 is 2. How is it 2? This 4, we can write it as, based on the introduction, since the numbers multiply, so you have 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 exponent, 2. So here will become 2 exponent 2 what? Square. So 2 exponent 2. But we are saying that the square root is exponent half. So that will become 2 exponent 2, all multiplying half. All right, this 2 will cancel this. Then what do you have? You have 2, and that is why root of the square root of 4 is 2. So when you have a square root of any number or variable, it is the same as, that is, that number exponent the square root. Okay, so in this case, it's a variable. So square root of a will become, that is, a exponent half. Meaning that when you also have a exponent half, you can rewrite it as what? The square root of a. Now, what if it's not square root and it's cube root? Okay, let me write it here. Cube root of a, that will become a exponent 1 over 3. So assuming that you have 3 here, and let's say that you have 27, which is the same as 3 times 3 times 3, 3, 3, 9 times 3, that gives you 27. So here we can rewrite it as, based on what you have over here, 27 exponent what? 1 over 3. But this one gives us what? 3 exponent 3. So this 3 exponent 3, then you have exponent 1 over 3. The 3 will cancel. That's why you have it 3 here. So when you also have this one like this, you can reverse it back. Now, sometimes it may not be as we are talking about. For instance, let's say that you have the cube root of a exponent 2. What it means is that you have a exponent 2 all exponent 1 over 3. You can rewrite this one, that is the 2 times 1 over 3. They will multiply, giving you 2 on 3. So that will become a exponent 2 on 3. So here I am using numbers. But let's say that if we didn't know we didn't know the numbers, whether it was square root, cube root, fourth root, or so ever, we will represent it by a number. So in this case, you have n roots of, let's say, a. So that will become a exponent 1 over n. Meaning that when you have a exponent 1 over n, you can now change it to what you have over here. And assuming that, let's say that you have n exponent a exponent, let's say b, that would have become a exponent b multiplying this. Sorry, I wrote 3 because I've been using this n rather. So that will give you a exponent, the b will multiply the one giving you b, then you have what? N. Meaning that when you have this one also, you can change it to what you have over here. So these are